Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this adorable puffy, stuffy tomato or apple, or if you made it orange, pumpkin for harvest time. Now, there's a little surprise about this. Any idea what might be stuffed inside my tomato slash apple slash pumpkin? You're never going to guess. That's right, a roll of toilet paper. I'm going to teach you how to make this cute stuffy puffy right now. For this project, you will need a 26 by 26 inch fabric square, cotton or the like. Just make sure it's a flexible fabric. Thick wired ribbon, about 24 inches, scissors, and a roll of toilet paper. So the first thing we're going to do is take our fabric and open it up and place our toilet paper right in the center. Then you're going to take a corner, doesn't matter which corner, but you're going to take a corner and you're just going to start pushing it down into the center of the toilet paper roll. So see how it just goes right around there like that, nice and in. Well, now all you're going to do is start moving around with the fabric and tucking it in to the center. And as you're going, you want to make sure that you're kind of keeping it fluffed so that it doesn't get too tight against that toilet paper roll. You're trying to make this kind of rounded like a pumpkin or apple. And as you get to the end here, you'll see you end up with a nice rounded shape. Now you're almost done. Now how quick and easy is that? There's not even any glue. So we're going to take about two feet of thick wired ribbon. You could also use like a burlap ribbon or grow rain ribbon, something like that. I'm going to fold it over to make my stem. And the nice thing about having the wire is that it holds its shape. So I'm just going to stick that in like that. And there's its stem. And then I can make a little leaf. Now if I want to, I could like twirl this like that if I wanted to. But I'm going to make it into a little leaf just by pushing this down in here. And then I'm going to fold those little edges in. Because it's wire, it'll stick and stay in that shape that I want it. And there we go. And that's all there is to it. Isn't that cute? And now let me just show you, here's a few others. This is a thicker fabric that has a pattern to it. Here's a kind of wild one. And here's another smaller version. So as you can see, they make really cute displays when you mix and match all the different colors. And that's all there is to taking a roll of toilet paper and giving it a cute harvest makeover. So you could put this on the back of your toilet and you can have it to disguise your toilet paper for when you run out as well. But I think they make awfully cute decor, like I showed you with those four when we were making them. Now I do have to give a shout out to Creative Capital B because that was where this inspiration came from. Now if you've got an idea that you'd like to share with me, make sure you put it in the comments down below. And if you like this video and Creative Capital B's idea, make sure to give us a thumbs up. For more fun ideas, check us out at sophie-world.com.